Hi dear friends, welcome to my channel. In my sixth video, today I am explaining about while and do while loop. I hope you watched my previous videos and you like it. Here in second type of control statement, I am explaining looping statements. Basically, looping statements are used to execute same code of block again and again. So there will be no need to write same code again and again. There are different types of looping statements: while loop, do while loop, for loop, and nested for loop. Nested for loop. Then first one is while loop. In while loop, first condition is tested or evaluated. If it is true, then statements in the body of loop are executed. While loop would keep on getting executed till the condition being tested remains true. When the condition becomes false, the body of loop is skipped and control is transferred to out of the loop. Here I am giving one C program which helps you to understand that how while loop works. This program prints welcome 10 times. For that there is no need to use printf function 10 times to print welcome. This task is done by while loop. Here I have included two header files and declare one variable is I, which is working like a counter. Here in while loop I put condition that is I is less than equal to 10, means the body of loop gets executed till the condition true. Here in loop there is printf statement which print welcome message on screen, which I want to print 10 times. And here is I plus plus is increment operator which increments the value of counter by 1 by every iteration of loop. Here in table I have shown how the program gets executed. Initially the value of I is equal to 1. Then it goes in while loop and test condition that is I is less than equal to 10. If it is true, then control goes inside the loop and it prints welcome on output screen first time. Then second statement is I plus plus. Hence it increments the value of I by 1, that is 2. Then again control goes in while loop to test condition that is I is less than equal to 10. Here the value of I is equal to 2 means it test a condition like 2 is less than equal to 10. It's true. Then control again comes inside in while loop and print welcome second time, and then again the value of I becomes 3. In this way loop gets executed 10 times and print welcome on output screen as shown in table. And after executing 10 times the value of I becomes 11, and here the while condition becomes false and program execution gets stopped. And here in output screen you will see that welcome message is printed 10 times. Hi friends, by taking one more example, here I am explaining while loop. The program is that you have to print number between 1 to 50 which is divisible by 5. As per C programming structure rule, first I have included two header files, and in main function here I declared variable I which is counter variable. The starting value of I is initialized with 1. Here in while loop I kept condition that I is less than equal to 50, means this loop get executed 50 times, and inside the while loop with the help of I plus plus the value of I is get incremented by 1 after every iteration of loop. When the value of I reached at 50, then loop gets terminated. Then in while loop, here I used if condition that I mod phi is equal to 0, means here I check that every value of I from 1 to 50 is divisible by 5. If it is divisible, then it printed on output screen by printf function, and if it is not divisible, then counter, that is I get incremented with the I plus plus, that is by 1. I hope you all understand this program very well. Thank you very much, friends. The second type is do while loop. In do while, the statement inside loop body is executed and then the condition is tested or evaluated. If it is true, then again statements in the body of loop are executed. This process continues until the condition becomes false. When the condition becomes false, the body of loop is skipped and control is transferred to out of the loop. To better understand working of do while, here I am giving one example which prints 1 to 15 numbers on screen. Here first I included two header files, and in main function I have declared and initialized I is equal to 1 is a counter variable, and in do while I kept condition that is I is less than equal to 15, means this loop gets executed 15 times. At start, counter directly goes inside the loop because in do while the condition is checked at the end of loop, and printf function prints value of I, that is 1. After that it goes to statement I plus plus and it increments value of I by 1 and check condition, that is I is less than equal to 15. If it is true, then again it goes inside the do while loop until condition becomes false. Here in this program, while loop gets executed 15 times and it simultaneously prints the value of I, that is 1 to 15 numbers on output screen. Thank you, friends. I hope you understand well. Hi friends, taking one more example, here I am explaining do while loop. The program is that you have to print odd numbers between 1 to 15. In this program, first here I have included two header files and in main function declared and initialized variable I with 1, which works as a counter variable, and in do while loop I kept condition that is I is less than equal to 15, means this do while loop will get executed 15 times. Simultaneously, every iteration of loop I check that value of I is divisible or not by 2 by putting the statement in if condition, that is I mod 2 is not equal to 0. If condition is true, means the number is not divisible by 2. it is odd, and it get printed on screen with the help of printf function, and then the value of I is get incremented by 1 with the help of I plus plus statement, and the next incremented number is again checked. This process get continued until the condition of do while becomes false, and at last it print all the numbers, that is odd numbers, on output screen. I hope you all understand well. Do practicing well. Thank you very much. Dear friends, here is a difference between while and do while loop. In while loop, it is called as entry control loop structure, and do while is called as exit control loop structure. In while loop, the condition is checked before the statement block execution, and in do while, the condition is checked after the statement block execution. In while, if the condition is initially false, the statement block will not be executed even once. In do while statement, block will executed at least once, even at first condition becomes false. The loop variable has to be initialized before the while loop begins, and in do while loop, the loop variable need not be initialized. Here is the syntax of while and do while loop. Thank you friends for watching this video. In next video I come up with for and nested for loop.